The ConnectER app gives your response team instant access to your emergency management plan, right on their smartphones or tablets. At EE Safety Group, we can adapt your existing plan to ConnectER or work with you to create a fully customized emergency management plan that's optimized for our app. ConnectER gives your management team a flexible command tool to coordinate response efforts before, during, and after an emergency. The app organizes data, tools, and procedures in one place, putting everything you need to respond to an emergency right at your fingertips. Access essential site information like assembly points, floor plans, and details of the surrounding area. Load critical support information right on your device, or complete reports from the field as information comes in. Communicate with the response team in real time and always have vital contact information at hand. And ConnectER can be used as a powerful training tool as well, with its pre-incident documentation and training tools, plus quizzes that verify and document users' knowledge. Of course, the app comes with continuous maintenance and support, so you can always be sure that it will be ready in an emergency. The ConnectER app from EE Safety Group puts your emergency management plan directly into the hands of the people who need it most. Visit EESafety.com to learn more about how ConnectER can help you and your organization in an emergency.